Hi, I'm Ben. I know my page really lacks expression of any sorts, but here I am, and this is a journey that I hope you will feel a part of. This is the first ever solo road trip I've done. Welcome to Arizona, a place that many think is just Sandan Desert. Welp.
We turn to blues now. For instance, a blues that might have been kind of popular in the days of the steamboat, or just a smaller boat that some fella had, and he kind of got the blues for the river. He got fed up with everything around him, and he wanted to go somewhere. The tune called Deep River Blues, or Big River Blues sometimes. Let it rain a whole lot more, Lord. I got them deep river blues. Let the rain drive right on, let the waves sweep along, Lord. I got them deep river blues. My old gal's a good old pal. She walks just like a waterfowl. If I get them deep river blues.
Feel the warmth of the summer. I get